Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I have a confession. I have a problem with buying planners. I love notebooks, I love planners, and I cannot resist them, but so many times I just get out of the habit of using it, or life gets crazy, or whatever, and then the dates pass by and I can't use my planner. So I am in love with this Legend planner by the Legend Planner store. It is undated, which means that I can totally customize it and use it every single day, or if I don't use it for a while, that's okay. I didn't miss out on anything. I can just go ahead and date it myself and make it work for me whenever I need it. This is a robust planner. I have it here in the Mystic Gray Gold. It's really quite beautiful. It even has a little spot for my pen. And this thing is, as you can see, thick. It has a lot to it. It's not just a daily planner, it's also a journal, a guided journal. So it has a lot of questions to really get you thinking about your goals and then helping you to break those goals down into steps. I love this kind of thing. It works so well with that monthly planner and then weekly and daily planner feature to really help you focus on the goals that you're trying to accomplish, which a lot of times, aside from keeping track of our schedule, is what we're using a planner for. So this planner is really beautiful. It's very thoughtful. It helps you stay on track, and I think it's definitely saving me money in the long run because it's undated. So it's always going to be relevant. I'm going to be able to use this planner until I fill up every single page. I think you'll love it too. That's my point of view.